Hello, hello, hello. Um, Welcome to this video. This is me working with Touchdesigner, loosely and probably badly explaining my process, what I've learned from just a day of Touchdesigner. This is what I've learned. Um, it's very cool, if I do say so myself. Um, I got the main idea, the original idea, which is simply just something like whatever is coming on screen now. I don't know why it's not working that well. Because it wasn't playing. Um, so this kind of idea is what I got from pppanik. Um, pppanik. From YouTube. She's very, very good at her job. I don't know if that's her job, doing YouTube videos, but whatever she does, she's good at it. So yeah, so check her out. She does lots of touch design tutorials and stuff. But I mean, yeah, essentially this is what I did, and the exponent was probably, yeah. This is essentially what I followed, and I've just played around with it. I'm not, claiming to be like some god at this thing or saying I created this. It was mainly created by um Panic, Captain Panic. So yeah. But I wanted to play around with it and give it some color, so I got the monochrome stuff. Turned it off. And yeah, and I am just playing with shit and just seeing how it works. I've only really used this today and yesterday night, so I don't really know exactly what's going on in a lot of it, but I know enough to edit some stuff, I guess. So that's what I've been doing. I quite like the red idea. It's just a few things you can do. Still don't really know exactly how everything here works, but when I press tab, this comes up. But when I press tab, my camera goes. But there's all sorts of shit you can do, and it's a really cool, versatile software. But yeah, no, essentially, so my process this is loose is so yeah, the noise, you get the edge. Okay, so it starts with this noise, which initially kind of looks like that. It's much harsher. I wanted a more like a galaxy kind of liquid feel when it comes in. Because what I'm trying to do is I want it to unwind when it comes to it, and then yeah, once it does that, it'll like um yeah, it'll unwind, and I want to hook it up to my guitar. Um, yeah. Um, so yeah, so I hook it up to my guitar when I play. It accelerates, or it does different stuff, different colors based on different decibel levels and stuff. That would be very cool. So yeah, so that's what I want to do. But yeah, no. So initially it was yeah, so it looked a bit like that, and you can see finds the edge. Um, to do like a special thing somewhere to make it all smart. Yeah, this thing. So this is abs time point seconds, and times it by 0.1. I don't know what that means. So someone sees this who understands this stuff, please explain it to me because I'm stupid. Um, but yeah, it's pretty cool, this stuff. Yeah, I mean, you get kind of like the clipping mask stuff going on once you combine this. It would also be monochrome. Yeah, and then you get there's two feedback loops. And the keyboard node. I don't know if you call it a node on here, but I use Unity and Unreal, so I'm gonna call it a node. Yeah, and a node just connects to these so that every time you press the number 1, it resets. So yeah, very, very cool stuff. Really like it. Pretty cool indeed. Yeah, and it creates like just crazy visuals. Use it for whatever. I'm trying to figure out how to put this on my website. I'm making a website, so go on that once I have it. Put it in a link somewhere on my main page. But yeah, no, there's all sorts of stuff you can do. I'm not sure if it's meant to be done this way, but you know, like you can get, you know, like maybe right? Like that's already some pretty cool stuff. I kind of like it. I like how it works. I like how it looks. Okay, it looks a bit shit, but I like how it works. I like how it works, and that's enough for me. So yeah, that's basically yeah, that's that. I've got some recordings of it going on. But really what I want to do, this isn't a tutorial. I gotta really say that. This isn't a tutorial. I'm just showing what I've done. But this is what I got today with my friend's room. Yeah, very messy, but that's essentially the render I got using Polycam on my iPad. Can't use my phone or camera. My camera's at home, and I'm at uni. But yeah, I want to use this as like a cloud point kind of thing, and then project this kind of stuff onto these generative images onto this, so it's like, you know, it's an invisible object, and that generative image kind of goes onto it, and it would just look really cool. The camera fly through a real render, you know, add some VFX to it, which I know how to do. Definitely would be very cool. Would be very, very cool. So I want to do that. Yeah, so that's basically that. Anything else? Yeah, some cool little renders I did. I think that's my profile picture now, my banner on my YouTube. And yeah, I mean, this was a cool one, right? Just like, it's just very cool stuff. I like the lines that it gives. But yeah, you know, whatever you want to use it for, it's very cool. So yeah, it's just feedback loops, then a comp, then level out with blacks and whites stuff, and yeah, and there's a little blur to make the edges a bit less harsh. You know, they get a bit grainy sometimes. Yeah, I won't pretend to know exactly what's happening here, but I hope I'm learning. I hope I'm learning from it. It'll be fun. It'll be very cool once I start creating my own real stuff. Gonna work on some audio visual stuff, maybe some projection mapping. So yeah, look forward to that. Anyway, yes. Goodbye.